We're 2 weeks out from groundbreaking. We came here to Barrio Logan to check out Border X. We're going to be meeting with the builder and with the brewery owners. Let's check it out. Everybody watching this wants to know, when is Border X going to be open?
That's the million-dollar question. So we're working really hard to open up soon. We've already purchased our brewing system. We're pulling permits on the building. We're about to demo the interior and really start doing some of the work to make that into one of the most classic beer halls, I think, in all of Los Angeles.
Big day coming up, July 15th, the World Cup viewing party. David's going to be there.
We'll be pouring our beer early in the morning, starting off, I believe, at 8 o'clock.
We'll be doing some giveaways too, so make sure that you're there. And we might be doing the groundbreaking around 1 o'clock, but we'll keep you posted.